This is the second standard. The standard is the one that says extend. The main thing we see here is, oh, this is the first page, so this last problem here. Once we have tangent of 30, we found that 30 degrees because 360, which is all the way around the center here, divided by, we have 6 sides, and then each side is broken into 2 triangles. That's how we get 30 degrees at their top. So tangent of 30 equals 85 over x, and Mr. Edmund again wrote that as that ratio. We would just set it up to get that as a decimal. The decimal that we would get is 147.2, and then we always just go 1/2 base times height divided by 2, and so that was a miscalculation. We should have this answer right here. Okay. Didn't see very many errors on that one. This next one is much more difficult. Here we have to find the missing angles first and set up a law of sines problem like this. We would know it's either okay to find this side or this side. Mr. Edmund decided to solve for x here. That's across from x is the 22, that's why this shows up in the ratio like this, and across from this 10, side length is 15, so that's why this is the ratio. We solve when we get this for this inside. Once we have that, it's just a 90-degree triangle. Sometimes it helped me to actually draw it out. So here's 37, we just found that side right here, and once we do that, we see we're trying to find the height. Oh, we have the hypotenuse. That's why we set it up like this for sine of h over 14.47. And we end up with the height. These next two are basic law of sines problems. The hardest part here on this one is to remember that when we take this number right here, if you would like to write that decimal out, you need to keep it to 4 decimal places to make sure this stays accurate. Okay, so that's really important when we think about this piece here to get the right answer and have the right rounding. This last one's hard to make sure you know what we're solving for. Here it says to solve for CB, which is right there. However, we don't know the angle of A. We can find it really quick by going 180 minus these 2 off, and that's right here where we got the 56 from. Once I had the 56, it's very simple to put this is one pair ratio that we have both parts of, so then we can set this up over A, as in this example here. Okay.